G'day, I'm Kath Molloy and welcome to M.A.D for Mondays. Today I'm with Sam Cawthorn, who's the CEO of Speakers Institute and is absolutely one of my totally favourite clients. And I'm going to ask Sam, what do you do on a Monday to make a difference to your week, your month, your year?
Yeah, look, every single day I continue to look for how I am grateful. So even if it is from the very breath that I breathe, air that I breathe, through to the roof over my head, through to the food on the table, through to the clothes on my back, the money in my wallet, I cannot ever go a single day without actually being grateful for the little things in life. And that gratefulness actually then helps me to see what's possible for the day. I believe it is impossible for depression and gratefulness to coexist. And so for me, even though I've had a major accident, even though I've had all this trauma, even though I live every day with pain, through phantom pain, etc., I've never ever felt depressed, or I've never really felt sorry for myself, or even bitter through my tough times.
Wow, thank you so much for sharing. And what we want to take away from today is just be grateful for every moment that you have on that Monday to make a difference.
Boom, absolutely.
Thanks, Sam.